Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Marcel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can register to a Globe GCASH account. So to do that, we will have to go to App Store if you are an Apple user, or go to Play Store if you are an Android user. So we just go there, App Store, and then search for GCASH. Then we download the app. So after downloading, we just click open, and then it's asking here if you want to allow GCash to access your location. I'm gonna say allow while using app, and then would like to send notifications, allow. And it's got options here that says register or log in, because if you haven't registered yet, so that means we click on register, and then we enter our mobile number that we want to register. So it doesn't matter what networks you are, any network will do, may it be Sun, Smart, or Globe network. So let me just put in my number. So bear in mind that a person can have as much as 3 GCash accounts. So we just click next. So we just wait for the authentication code to be sent. So that's 413661. And we submit. Now tell us something about yourself. So we will provide here our information. So first name, last name, let's get here birthday, and here the address. And here is the email address. It's asking here if I have a referral code. So no, we don't have, but you can use a referral code if you have any. It says here, it says optional. Okay, so we don't have any, so we just click next. Set your mobile PIN. Your MPIN is a password to your GCash account. For your account security, never share your MPIN with anyone. Okay, we enter our MPIN. Click submit. And then, congratulations, we've successfully created your GCash account. So proceed to log in. So we log in. And there it is. Welcome. Here are the key features of GCash. So we try to explore it. So with GCash, you can buy load, you can send money, or money can be transferred to you. Of course, you can pay your bills. So there you go. And let me just show you something. So of course, your GCash number is the number or mobile number that is associated with your GCash account. So the one that you use to register, that's your GCash number. There it says gain access to your own credit line with GCredit. So you have to be fully verified. So let's just do that now, because there are a lot of features that you can avail, you can have once you are fully verified. So let's just do that now. So as of now, we are a basic user. So to get verified now, to secure your account and gain access to all GCash services. So it's requiring us to take a valid ID or to submit a valid ID. Scan a face and then fill information. So let me click get verified. So I have SSS ID. So get ready to take a photo of yourself. Okay. Move closer to the camera. So tell us more about yourself. So let's get my information here. So let me just do that again. It's asking to review the information and to accept the terms and conditions. So we just click there and then confirm. So application submitted. Please allow us 24 hours to review your applications and you will be notified via SMS. We appreciate your patience and understanding. So later on or tomorrow, we're gonna check it out once our application is approved, once we get verified. So ayan, nakatanggap tayo ng message na verified na tayo. So let's just see yung status natin. Ayan, so if makikita nyo dito, fully verified na tayo. So we are able to take advantage on some of the GCASH features na available. Alright, so that's it guys. Ganyan lang po yung pag-register sa GCASH. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you find my content helpful. Thank you and see you next time.